Hi everyone. So today all over again we are gonna learn new concept in addition. So finding the total or sum by combining two or more numbers is addition. Addition, it helps kids master the relationships between numbers and understand how quantities related to one another. So let's learn the concept of carry forward in addition today. Don't forget to grab your notebook and pencils along with the video. So see you soon. Going to learn one new aspect about addition. It's also called sum and it's represented with this sign. It's also called your doctor's sign. So in this video I am gonna tell you about how to add two-digit numbers. So let's get started. So let's do addition of two-digit number. So unlike the previous video, I also told you not to forget writing ones and tens here. This is mandatory. And because we are doing addition, so we need to put this sign. So let's get started. What we will do is, now you know 7 plus 7 will be, come on tell me, 7 plus 7 will become, okay, it will become 14. So what will I do? I'll put this 4 in the ones category, and what will happen to this 1? This will go as a carry forward. Correct? This will go as a carry forward. And when we will add numbers in tens, despite of adding this 1, I'll add this carry forward 1 also. And 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So the answer of 17 plus 7 will be 24. So like this, we are gonna learn about few more questions. So my second question is, what will be the answer of 25 plus 6? So see, I have already written ones and tens here, putting a addition mark, and then I'm gonna start my question. So you all also are supposed to do these things. These are the mandatory things that you have to do no matter what. So 6 plus 5 becomes 11. See, this is 11. So what will I do? I'll write 1 under ones category, and this remaining 1 will go as a carry forward. Correct? Now when I'll add number in tens category, I'll also add this 1. So 2 plus 1 will become, it will become 3. Very good. So the answer of 26 plus 6, 25 plus 6 will become 31 with 1 as a carry forward. So let's do third question. So this is my third question, in which I want to know answer of 65 plus 9. So now how will I solve it? I will first of all add numbers in this ones category. So 9 plus 5 becomes 14. Here is my answer. So what will I do? I'll write 4 under ones, and this 1 will go as a carry forward. And now I will simply add 6 plus 1. So the answer will be 74. The only and only rule that you have to follow is, whenever you will start doing addition, you will always begin with ones. Do not begin with tens. Though the answer of it, the 65 plus 9 will be same, but still begin with ones only. This is the only mandatory rule that you have to follow. Let's do one last question. Okay, so in this question, what did I do? I want to add 84 with 15. Can you make out the difference? Earlier you were adding numbers like this. Now you are adding number like this. So let's see what happens next. So 5 plus 4, it will become 9, and there is no need to do any carry forward. So I'll just simply turn to tens numbers. So the numbers in tens are 8 and 1, and when I'll add them, so it will become 9. So the answer of 84 plus 15 is 99. So class, in case if I remove this 1 and I put 0 here, so what will be the answer? Here this 9 will go and 8 will come. Correct? What if I remove 5 and put 0 here? So this 9 will also say goodbye to you, and 4 will say hi, how are you? So you need to remember these rules. So take care all of you. There is endless capability for all of you to learn these numbers with using this formula of carry forward. Always remember, there is no rule to use 1 as a carry forward. You can also take number 2, 4, 5, any number can be used as a carry forward, but don't try to begin from tens. You will always begin from ones. So keep learning, everyone. Take care.